Hello again, John with Traveler's Farm. Here in the Gladiator, just did a quick oil change. Just did oil only, didn't change the filter. We got 500 miles on the truck, and just mainly want to do a quick video of a system the Gladiator has to crank without starting. I'll show you what we have. Okay, quick rundown. This procedure is to prime the oil pump. Not sure if it's done after every oil change, but press the brake, hold the gas pedal down, and just push the button to start and let go. Should be a 10-second start. Not sure what would happen if I let off the brake, but really don't want to find out. Okay, that was it. Easy as expected. And again, just did a oil drain and refill. No filter, just oil. Reason on that, I read up on a lot of things on break-in, and does turn out, and it's evidence-based, that a slightly used oil filter is more efficient at removing contaminants than a brand new one, due to the pore size, and it just works. You want more info? Where I found that while I was searching through many different sources online and YouTube, was the Motor Oil Geek, and a lot of stuff. He has seemed to be way more in depth than what I need, but also very concise. So check it out, good information. And again, the oil was changed just to remove contaminants from engine break-in. A new engine tends to have more particles wear occurring during the first few hundred to couple thousand miles than it does during any other phase other than some type of a catastrophic failure. So again, that's it. Thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, throw them to me. I'm always learning, so get knowledge I don't. Please share it with me, and like and subscribe. Again, thank you.